आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is the coordinates of the points on the graph of the function fx equals to x cube by x minus 5x square by 2 plus 7x minus 4, where the tangent drawn cut off intercepts from the coordinate axes which are equal in magnitude, okay, but opposite in sign, right? So basically this is the figure should look like. There's an intercept, right? A tangent is intercept which is cutting the axis, opposite axis. This is x and this is minus of 5. Why minus of 5? Because it is given the question that coordinates are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So that's why it means that this distance is equal and this is equal to this distance, right? They both are equal but the signs are opposite. So we can predict that their slope will be what? When these points are equal, then a slope becomes what? M equals to 1. Okay, I'll verify it how it becomes m equals to 1 first. Okay, so we know the equation of line is what? Y equals to mx plus c, right? Here, when x intercepts, y becomes 0. In this case, when y equals to 0, in this case, s becomes what? Minus c by m. Similarly, at y axis, x becomes 0. The intercept of y will become what? It will become as c. Y becomes c and x is minus c by m, right? And now what we will do? We know that this slope is x and y becomes equals to each other, so this will minus c by m is equals to c. If they cancel out with each other, and this should be minus c. This is also removed. The slope will come out as 1. So basically, our slope will come out as 1. I'll write it down here in the middle. Okay, so what we will do now? The given equation of function or the curve we have is what fx is. We have here. Basically, I'll write it down from the question. Okay, x cube by x minus 5x square by 2 plus 7x minus 4. Right. Now we found the slope and we have to also find this slope using dy by dx. If you have a function, how we can find the slope? Using dy by dx, and then we will put the value of dy by dx as 1 and we'll find the value for x. Okay, so I'll differentiate it with respect to x. This will become, okay, this will become x squared by 3. Okay, this will become, okay, so basically there's a slight error in the question. It should be not x, it should be 3. This should be here also 3. So when we put 3 value, so what we will receive? We will get 3 x square by 3 minus 5 with the product of 2 and here x with 2 plus 7. So this will cancel out with each other and we are left with what? We are left with, okay, this will come and this is equals to what? 1. So this will become x square minus 5x plus 7 equals to 1. If we middle term split it, we will get the equation x square minus of 5x plus 6 before middle term splitting. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals to x minus 3, right? And here we have minus 2, x minus 3 equals to what? 0. This is also equals to 0. So basically we have x minus 3 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So the possible values of x are x equals to 2, right, and x equals to 3, and we have to find the values of points. So what we will do now? We will put these values of x in this equation because this is equals to y. We know that y equals to fx equals to this equation. So if we have to find the value of y, so what we will do? First we will put the value x is 2 in the equation, in this equation. So we will get, what we will get? Okay, so for this case I'll put the value x cube by 3 minus 5 of x square by 2 plus 7x minus 4. If I put the value as 2, this will become 2 cube by 3 minus, okay, this side will become 5 into 2 square by 2 plus 7, 2 minus 4, right? So y will come out as 8 by 3. This will become minus of 10. This will become plus of 14 and this will become minus of 14. So basically these all will cancel out and y will become 8 by 3, right, for x equals to 2. Similarly, when you find the value for x equals to 3, this will become y equals to 3 cube by 3 minus 5 3 square by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 3 minus of 4. So this we will receive, this will become 27 by 3. This will become what we have 5 into 9 35, 5 9 is 63, sorry 60, not 5 9 is 45 here, so it will come out as 45. So basically this will become 45 by 2, this will 21 and this will minus 4. So the value of y will come out as 4 minus 45 by 2 plus 17 equals to what 26 minus 45 by 2. So we will get our y as 7 by 2. So basically the points we are having 2 points. First one is what 2 comma 8 by 3 and 3 comma 7 by 2. These are the answers we are looking at. If we go to the question, we can see that this one and this one is our answer we are looking for.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।